Now we will discuss laws of exponent. Laws of exponent, here how to multiply, how to divide, like this way, how to simplify the exponential sum. Now here first one laws here given, if base are same, because here x is known as base and m is known as power exponent, and this one x into x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. If base are same, powers are different, then we have multiplication sign is there, then we have to add. The next, if base are same and here division sign is there, x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. That means if it is multiplied, then we have to plus, if it is divide, then we have to minus. X power should be minus if it is division sign is there. Next, another exponent, if x to the power m whole thing to the power n, then is equal to x to the power m into n. In this case, we have to multiply the exponent. Next one, if base are different, powers are same, x to the power m into y to the power m is equal to x into y. Base we have to multiply and whole thing to the power m. And similarly, if base are different, powers are same, but division sign is there, then also same, x to the power m divided by y to the power m is equal to x to the power m by y to the power m, or we can write x by y whole thing to the power m. And another, anything to the power 0 means x to the power 0 is equal to 1. This one laws we have to remember, and we use this one laws to simplify the exponential sum. Now in the district, here this one also you have to remember, minus 1 whole thing to the power even number. If power is exponent is even, then result will be positive 1. And minus 1 to the power odd number, that means if power is odd number, then result will be minus 1. Therefore, if minus 1 square is equal to 1, minus 1 to the power 3 is equal to minus 1. Like this, minus 1 to the power 12, then also result will be positive 1. And minus 1 to the power 13 is an odd number, that's why result will be how much? Minus 1. This type of the secret you have to remember. This one law, this 6th law you have to remember for this exercise. With the help of this one law, this 6th law, we solve the exercise 5.2. Now we will do exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, use laws of exponent to solve the problem. First one, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Here these are the problem we have to solve, and we have to simplify in exponential form. We solve like this way. This one, question number 1a. 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. We know this one, x to the power m into x to the power n. Then we have to what? Exponent will be exponent we have to 8. That's why here base are same, 5, 5, 5, 5, and multiplication signs are there. That's why this one we can write 5 to the power 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2. That means 5 to the power how much? 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. Therefore, our answer is 5 to the power 17 because we have to write in exponential form. That's why 5 to the power 17 is the answer. Next, B. In B, 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 3. Here the base are same, division sign is there. Therefore, we have to subtract this one. That means x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. Therefore, 3 to the power 4 minus 3. That means 3 to the power 1, or we can write only 3 also. This is the answer. In here A and B I have done. C also same things, base are same and multiplication sign is there. That's why we have to add the power. And here this one D I will do now. Now this one 100. 100 means how much? 100 we can write 10 square and whole thing to the power 10 into 10 square. We know that x to the power m whole thing to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n. This one law we have to utilize here. 10 to the power 2 into 10 square. This means 10 to the power 20 into 10 to the power 2. Now base are same, multiplication sign is there. That's why 10 to the power 20 plus 2 is equal to 10 to the power 22. This one our answer. Next question number E. Here 20 to the power 6 divided by 10 to the power 6. We can use this one, x to the power m divided by y to the power m. Then we can write x to the x by y whole thing to the power m. Similarly, here also 20 by 10 whole thing to the power 6. Now this one 0 we can cancel. Then we will get 2 to the power 2 by 1 to the power 6, 2 by 1 to the power 6, or 2 to the power 2 to the power 6. This one is the answer. Next, F you can do this one, minus 3 to the power 6 to the power n. We have already done this type of sum. In this case, here 3 minus 3 whole thing to the power 6 into 2. This way you can do yourself. Next one, question number G. Here 1 by 4 to the power 5 into 1 by 4 to the power minus 5. Next this one 1 by this one we can write 1 by 4 whole thing to the power 5 into 1 by 4 whole thing to the power minus 5. Now base are same. Then why we write 1 by 4 to the power 5? Because 1 to the power 5 means 1. If we multiply 1 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, then also we will get 1. Now 1 by 4 same base. That's why we write 1 by 4, and this one 5 plus minus 5. That means 1 by 4 to the power 5 minus 5 minus 5 means 1 by 4 to the power 0. That means our answer is equal to 1. This one over. And this one sum we can do like this way also. Another identities, x to the power minus m equal to 1 by x to the power m, or 1 by x to the power minus m is equal to x to the power m. With the help of this one properties, we can do this one also, or 1 by 4 into 4 to the power 5 into 1 by 4 to the power minus 5. This one we can write 1 by 4. This one means we can write 4 to the power minus 5 and into 4 to the power 5. This way also you can write. Now 4 to the power minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1. This way also you can do by using these two identity. Do you understand? H you can do 8 to the power 9 into 9, 8 to the power 81, and I minus 5 by 6 divided by minus 5 by 6, that one obviously 1, and j 2 to the power 6 divided by minus 2 to the power minus 2 to the power, that one also we can do. This one we can write minus 2 to the power 6 and divided by this one minus 2 to the power 1, that means. Now here base are same, minus 2, that's why minus 2 we take, and division sign is there, that's why we have to subtract the power. 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 to the power 5. Here this one odd number, that's why we can write minus 2 to the power 5. This is the answer. That means in 5.2, exercise 5.2, we have done question number 1, and here this H, I, N, C, these three sum I have given as a homework. You can do yourself.